bisexual. Pangender. A pangender identity that involves experiencing many different gender identities simultaneously. So, pan means all. So, pangender is a person who identifies with multiple genders or all genders simultaneously. So, this individual may experience different gender at different times or even at the same time. So, kumbaga, is sa relationship naman is, ma-attract sila sa girl, ma-attract sila sa boy, ma-attract sila sa lesbian, and also ma-attract sila sa transgender woman. So, muna, pangender is, all gender or meron siya ng multiple gender. Two-spirit. Some Native American tribes recognize two-spirit people as a third gender, depending on their particular identity and tribe. So, two-spirit is a term used by some indigenous people in North America to describe individuals who embody both masculine and feminine qualities. So, two-spirit people are often seen as having both masculine and feminine spirit, which nga arang makalid sa ila unique role sa ila nga tribe or communities, such as being a spiritual leader or healers or anything nga unique role sa ila nga tribe. So, amon sang isa ka advantages sang individual nga ga-embody both masculine and feminine sa amon nga tribe. So, amon na ila nga paniniwala.
Sexual characteristics are biological characteristics such as chromosomes, genitalia, hormones, and internal reproductive organs. While ang sexual characteristics, kumbaga, normal na nga ginakagawian ng mga butang parehas ang chromosomes. Maghambal chromosomes, kumbaga DNA, or mga thread-like structures. And these are tiny structures inside our cells that carry our genetic information. Most females have 2X chromosomes, and that is XX. While most males have 1X and 1Y chromosomes. Also, these instructions tells our bodies how to grow, what we look like, and even some of our personality traits. Genitalia. Genitalia naman niya amuna sa ang mga reproductive organs ka babae kag lalaki, kung sa babae amuna ang vagina, and then kung sa lalaki naman amuna ang penis. Hormones. Ari naman niya kumbaga ang mga effect sa mga lawas ta pares na ga-effect sa lawas mo, ang emotions mo, kag sa mga behavior mo. And lastly, reproductive organs. Amo naman na iya ang tissues, glands, and organs nga involved sa pag-produce offsprings or children, kay syempre, lain naman para sa lalaki. Primary sex characteristics are often present at birth, while secondary sex characteristics often develop during puberty. While primary sex characteristics, amo na siya ang mga ga-develop during present at birth, kumbaga pagbata simo. Aron na da ang sexual organs, mga penis, testes, uterus, and ovaries, pero sa secondary sex characteristics, amo naman na siya ang puberty stage, ang gaka-develop na maturity sa isa ka bata. Kung sa babae gadako na ila breast or sa ila organs, sang different gender ga form naging into matured ila organs. And then, intersex characteristics include chromosomes, patterns, gonads, or genitals that according to the Office of the United Nations High Commissioners for Human Rights do not fit typical binary notions of male or female bodies. Well, intersex is an umbrella term encompassing individuals born with sex characteristics that don't align with the typical binary notions of male or female bodies. This means their chromosomes, gonads, testes, or ovaries or genitals may vary from what is considered standard for either sex. Well, according sa United Nations High Commissioners for Human Rights, nga ang ginakilala nila is male and female lang gid. Wala na sing iba nga gender. Big no sa ila. Okay, lastly, the expected male and female are both in the extremes of the spectrum while the intersex characteristics are in the wider middle. Well, dili naman niya wala gina-validate ang babae kag lalaki kag ariya ginakilala man nina di ang different identities kag may ara na sila spectrum nga only knows their self preferences well. Pero ang intersex naman shadow ka broad or lapad kaayo kustoryahon kay syempre kalayo sang ila ginagiho sa ila mismo nga identity.
So next is gender expression. Gender expression is to refer on how individual presents their gender identity through one's name, pronouns, clothing, behavior, haircut, or even body characteristics. There are 4 gender expressions. First, the androgynous. It blends both masculine and feminine traits, creating a balance between genders. Second is feminine. It is traditionally associated with women, while the masculine is traditionally associated with men. Lastly, the neutral gender expression. Neutral gender expression avoids strong associations with either femininity or masculinity. The difference between androgynous and the neutral gender expression is the androgynous, instead of avoiding gender traits, it blends both and embraces them, while the neutral gender expressions, it downplays the gender traits, making it hard to associate with either masculine or feminine.
Good morning everyone. My name is Marlon Salas Jr. and my topic is all people irrespective of suggest are entitled to enjoy the protection provided by the International Human Rights Law, including in irrespective of rights of life, security of person and privacy, the right to be free, torture, arbitrary arrest and detention, the right to be free from discrimination, and the right to freedom of expression, association and peaceful assembly. Sexual orientation, gender identity, gender expression, and sex characteristic. Human rights law suggests is used by human rights advocates to promote the rights and inclusion of people with diverse suggestions.
The core legal obligation of state with respect to protect the human rights of people with diverse suggestions include obligation to protect individuals from homophobic and transphobic violence, prevent torture and cruel, inhuman and degrading treatment, repeal law criminalizing homosexuality and transgender people, prohibited discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity, safeguard freedom, expression, association of peaceful. Homophobic is a term used to describe the fear or discomfort towards people who are lesbian, gay, or bisexual. Transphobic is a discrimination against people whose identity as transgender or gender non-confirming. Preventing torture and cruel treatment means protecting people from physical or psychological abuse that cause suffering, pain, or humiliation. Prohibiting discrimination means treating everyone equality regardless of their sexual orientation or gender identity. By safeguarding freedom or expression means that people can express their opinions gathered with others peacefully and protest without fear or harm or